Seriously? Burp, burp. Skirt.
Take it up.
Alright.
Timer cleared.
Ready?
Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay.
All clear. So you said I need to go.
What?
I want to do the thing that you were telling me to do.
Right, then no,
Oh, okay.
Any notes?
Oh, yeah.
Well, yours didn't do it.
I just
Oh, okay. It usually snaps pretty violent.
did snap pretty violently. And it went into flat spin.
Yeah, it does.
I'm going to try it again.
Taking off?
You just got to be careful.
Yeah.
Because if it gets
Time remaining. 2.
out of whack. You ready?
Touching and going.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
None. I like it. It just makes touch and goes harder.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Why is it so hazy?
It is a bit. And the drive here was pretty hazy.
You good?
Yeah.
Where the hell over us? Alright, let me join up with you again.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Touch and go.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Oh, I can't make it in time. I can't make it in
30
time.
seconds.
Oh, man.
Coming. I'll come out. I'll meet up with you.
Gear up. Flaps up. Time remaining. 16 seconds.
Oh, dude, I was catching up with you. And you're already back over here. What the?
10, 9,
I would have been on you.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Okay.
Turn up. Turn up.
Right, landing left.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so sweet, you guys. That dive together is awesome.
Oh, man. We're just getting warmed up.
Timer over. 39 seconds.
What's your voltage? Okay. Yeah, come in. I'll come with you.
Landing flaps.
Landing.
Gear down.
Runway clear.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
1 minute over.
I gotta come back. It's way too far.
You're landing way out in Siberia over there.
flaps
I
up.
saw you pull it up and just like, nope, you're slowing
Nope.
down.
Exactly. Slow down, dang it. Don't you keep going on me. Whoa! I know that battery's not happy.
Like,
You didn't? Did you see me do the one? Have you seen me do it?
no, it just went.
Yeah.
It
No.
just sat on its wing like that. And
You're.
then turned.
You need to get yours to actually spin more, because when I do it, mine goes like that and then does this weird pop top thing. So I'll have to show you next flight. But that was fun. That was probably one of the fastest formations we've done.